Dear students, in the last class we have finished 3.1 exercise in matrices. Now, before going to 3.2 exercise, let us understand some more concepts which are operations on matrices, or else we can say algebra of matrices. Addition, subtraction means difference we have to call. Addition, difference, multiplication with scalar, and multiplication of matrices we will see. Afterwards only we are able to go for 3.2 exercise. Okay, let us see first what they have given in operation of matrices. That means mathematical operations. So we know addition, subtraction, division and all, these are operations. Addition of matrices. Okay, complex numbers also we have seen addition, how to add complex number and how to make difference of complex number, and multiplication also. Like that only here also some special rules have to be seen. Addition. See, while doing addition of matrices, both both matrices should be of same order. Okay, that means you see here I am adding two matrices. A, if it is 2 by 3, then B also should be 2 by 3. Order. Order I am talking about. If matrix A is 2 by 3 order, then order of matrix B also should be 2 by 3 to add, or else we are not able to add. Okay, this is fundamental principle. Let us see one theoretically we will add, and practically also we take one example. Like that we goes on to these concepts until we reach a 3.2 exercise. Okay, you see addition of matrices I already said same order. This you have to keep in your mind. Same order. Same order. Both matrices should be of same order. Then only you are able to add, or else you are not able to add. Let us see. Two matrices I am taking not 2 by 3, not bigger. I will take 2 by 2. Okay, let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, this is matrix A, and also B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. Okay, this is another matrix A and B. We have to add these both matrices. Why? Because both are the same order. Why? Because 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Then how to add? A plus B is equal to, okay, you see, first column first row plus first column first row. A11 plus B11 plus, okay, second row, sorry, first row second column, first row second column. A12 plus B12. Second row first column, second row first column. A21 plus B21. Second row second column plus second row second column. A22 plus B22. Okay. Like this you have to add. That means same first row first column, first row second column, first row, sorry, second row first column, second row first column, second row second column, second row second column. Like that you have to add. One more important part. See, if it is C, A plus B is equal to C, if you take, then resultant matrix also will be of same order. If you see, this is also same order. Why? Because see, after adding, this is going to become one identity. One identity, one identity, one identity. That means 4 identities are there, 2 rows, 2 columns. Resultant matrix also will be of same order. 2 by 2 only is going to come. Okay, you understand? Huh? That means simplest form only you have to add. There is no complexity. But you have to keep in your mind that both matrices are having of same order. Then only you are able to perform the addition, or else you are not able to perform. Okay. Let us take one simple example for addition. Then we go for next concept. Why? Because see, properties of addition of matrices we have to see. But properties, unless you see, scalar with multiplication and negative matrix, we are unable to understand the properties. That is why remaining two concepts we have to see. But we will take these concepts also after one example. This is theory. Practical also we take one example. I am taking 2 by 3 matrix. Let A is equal to 2 rows 3 columns. I am taking. Okay. Let me take -2, 3, 1, 0, 5, -6. 2 rows 3 columns as over. And B also should be of 2 rows 3 columns only. Okay. 1 0 -1 6 -5 2. These two are matrices. Matrix A is of 2 rows 3 column, 2 by 3 order. Matrix B is also of same 2 by 3 order, 2 rows 3 columns. Okay. Let us do now addition of matrix A plus B is equal to. Okay. -2 plus 1. 3 plus 0. So where I am writing, that is also important. You see, first row, first column, first row, first column. I have also written in first row, first column. First row, but second column. First row, second column. First row, second column only I have written. First row, third column. First row, third column. In first row, third column only I have written. Okay. Go for this one. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 0 plus 6. In second row, first column only you have to write. Second row, second column plus second row, second column. But you have to write it in second row, second column. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. Okay. Okay. That is equal to -2 plus 1, -1. -1. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 5 minus 5, 0. -6 plus 2, -4. Okay, now you see, these are 2 by 3 order. This is also, you see, 2 by 3 order. Same order of matrix is going to come, resultant. Okay. Now, like this, you have to perform. You have to take one practical example also. Or else A11, B11 means like this only it will be there, plus. But if you take any example, practical example, then finally one figure is going to come. That will be easy to understand. Okay. Now, this is the operation of addition on matrices. Okay. Now, what we do, next concept is multiplication of matrix by a scalar. That we will see. Why? Because we have to go further concepts. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. See, not multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of a single matrix with a scalar. Scalar means constant. Let us see. With scalar or with scalars. But we take first one scalar. In properties, we will see two scalars. Okay, you see, multiplication of matrix by a scalar or with scalar, whatever it may be. Let you take scalar as k. Let k be scalar. Scalar means constant. Comma, A be matrix. Okay. Now you see Ka is multiplication. Ka is, see, Ka is multiplication of scalar with A. Okay. Okay. Now you see, how to write. Okay, let us see. K into A11, A12, A21, A22. K into A is equal to K into A is this one. See, let us assume that K is A is a be a 2 by 2 matrix. Rather than this, you write here 2 by 2. A be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. 2 by 2 matrix like this will be there. A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. K into A. Then you see, first you have to write outside. Then again it will enter inside. KA11, KA12, KA21, KA22. You understand? You understand now? Now see, Ka means like this. First you have to write. Then again this K has to go inside. If it go inside, it will multiply with every element. You see, with every element. Okay. Let us take practically one example. See, what if this K is minus 6? With my multiplication with minus 6 only. You see, minus 6 A1, minus 6 A21, minus 6 A212, minus 6 A22. That's all. See, scalar we are multiplying. That scalar may be positive or negative, or even scalar may be 0 also. We don't know. If scalar is 0, then all zeros are going to come. K value, if it is 0, then all going to come zeros. If scalar value is negative 6 or negative 5 or negative 3, then multiplied with negative 3, all elements. Scalar is positive 5, then multiply with positive 5 all elements. Like that you have to think. Okay. Negative, rather than negative, positive only we take, and we take one example. Multiplication with scalar. Then we go for negative matrix. At that time we will multiply with negative. Okay. Now let us see. Let A is equal to, again I take 2 by 3. Why? Because 2 by 2 already I have taken. 2 by 3 I take. Minus 1, 3, 0. 0, 6, minus 5. Okay. Let A is equal to this one. K is equal to, say, 4. K is equal to 4. Okay. Find Ka. Find Ka. Okay, this is the question. Simple question. To understand this concept, we have taken. Randomly, I have taken this. Okay. See, Ka means first you have to write like this. Ka is equal to 4 into minus 1, 3, 0, 0, 6, minus 5. Like this you have to write first. First you have to write outside. Don't put any symbol, means multiplication. Or else you have to give plus. Okay. Now you send a 4 inside. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 6, 24. 4 into minus 5, minus 20. You understand now? How this has come? Okay. If multiplication with scalar, if you understand, then we can understand multiplication by minus 1 also. That is very essential for next concept. First you understand now, multiplication by a scalar. See, a single scalar, but all elements are going to be affected. Why? Because of multiplication we are doing. Okay. Now let us see negative of a matrix. Okay. See the negative of a matrix, how to write and all. Say one matrix is there with us A, and we want to write negative of that matrix. Negative of matrix is equal to minus A. That you have to keep in your mind. If A is a matrix, then minus A is negative of matrix. Let A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. A11, A12, A21, A22, Okay, minus 1a is negative of matrix. Okay, minus 1a. How minus 1a means? Minus 1a means minus 1 is here is a scalar. You do now. Minus a is equal to minus 1 into a. a11, a12, a21, a22. Okay, that is equal to. You see, you send minus 1 inside. Why? Because now it is a scalar, but scalar with a negative symbol is there. Because of negative symbol, we are calling it as a minus negative of matrix. See, negative of matrix means you have to multiply with minus 1 only, not with any other number. If you multiply with minus 1, then it is going to become negative of matrix. Okay. Minus a11, minus a12, minus a21, minus a22. This is negative of matrix. Okay. Now if you compare positive normal matrix A, minus A is this one. This is minus A. Finally, negative A. Minus A or negative A. This is negative A or minus A. See, A11 minus A11, A12 minus A12, A21 minus A21, A22 minus A22. That means what you are doing? You are changing the symbol of all, sign of all elements inside the matrix. Okay, this is called negative of matrix. We take one example, one simple example we take. 2 by 2 only we will take, and how to write and all you see. Let A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 6. Okay, find negative A, or else they will write like this, negative A. Find minus A or negative A. Like that they will write. Okay. See, now rather than going elaborate procedure, shall we write directly? Minus 1 is there means plus 1. 2 is there means minus 2. 3 is there means minus 3. Minus 6 is there means 6. Is this the negative A? Definitely. Why? Because you multiply with minus 1, then minus plus 1. Multiply with minus 1, minus into plus minus. Multiply with minus 1, minus into plus minus. Multiply with minus 1, minus into minus plus. You understand? Na? Now this is negative A. Okay. Negative A matrix is this one. Okay. If you understand these three concepts, addition of matrix, multiplication by a scalar, negative of matrix, then we go for properties of addition of matrix. Properties of addition of matrix. Not matrix, we can say a matrices. Addition of matrices. Why? Because two matrices we have to add. That is why properties of addition of matrices. Normally we have seen everything. Sets we have seen, relations we have seen, and complex numbers also we have seen. These properties after addition we have seen. What are the properties and all? See, for addition and all, first property you know commutative law. Let us write commutative law. What is commutative law? Commutative law is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Do you want any proof for this? See, now in matrix, better we take example straight away. That will be very easy to understand. Okay, I am taking, say, A is equal to simple 1 by 2 matrix I will take. Okay, 1 by 2 matrix. Say minus 1, 3. Okay. B is equal to say 0, 5. Now we write A plus B. A plus B is equal to minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay. Again we write b plus a. B plus a is equal to, see, when b plus a is there, see here a plus b is there, directly how done? B plus a is there means, so don't take in reverse way, you write b and a conveniently. 0, 5 plus, like this you write a minus 1, 3. Sorry. Now you perform the operation. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, now you see a plus b is minus 1, 8. B plus a also minus 1, 8. Then we can say that a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is the commutative law. Okay? Addition of matrix is having commutative law. Addition of matrices, not multiplication. Multiplication is different. Multiplication is non-commutative. Then we will see when we go to multiply. Okay? Addition of, see, properties of scalar multiplication is also there. But let us first finish this one. Then we go for that. Commutative law, you understand? Na? After commutative law, second one is associative law. Let us go for associative law. See the associative law of properties of matrices. Under properties of matrices, associative law. We know commutative law is between two matrices. Two matrices. But associative law require third matrix also. Okay, third matrix. You see, like a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is associative law. Okay. Let us take three matrices. Like we have taken, shall we take 3? 2 by 2. Let us take 2 by 2. See, property for making a plus b, a and b should be same order. But for making a plus b plus c, automatically c also should be same order. Then only it is possible, or else not possible. Okay. Let us see. Let us take a is equal to, this time I take 2 by 2. Minus 2, 0. 1, minus 1. Okay. This is a. B. 3, minus 5, 6, 0. C. 0, minus 1, 1, 5. Okay. Now one by one we do operation and we will see whether a plus b plus c is going to come or not for a plus b plus c. Okay. Now first you do a plus b plus c1, a plus b plus c. Okay, we write down a plus b plus c is equal to, we know in between parentheses first you have to perform the operation. Okay. A plus b minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, I am not writing again minus 2 plus 3 like, see, minus 2 plus 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus minus 5, minus 5 only. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Okay, plus. Now a plus b has come, c you have to add, c is what, this one, 0 minus 1, 1, 5. That is equal to. Now add these two. See what has come. You see both are same order. You see that is why I have taken same order. Addition, you should be taken same order, or else you are not going to get. Okay. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 5, minus 1, minus 6. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 1 plus 5, 4. Okay, see, this will be your a plus b plus c final value. Let it be, underline this one. Okay, let it be, and we do a plus b plus c also. A plus b plus c also. Let us do that a plus b plus c. Okay, see how I am writing a plus b plus c is equal to, a first you write A means this one, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 1. But don't perform operation. Why? Because you see here, first you have to perform B plus C in parenthesis, under parenthesis. Okay. Now B plus C operation you perform. B plus C means these two. These two, okay? 3 plus 0, 3. Minus 5, minus 1, minus 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 0 plus 5, 5. Okay? Now this is B plus C. B plus C you have received here. Now A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. 0 plus minus 6, minus 6. 1 plus 7, 8. Minus 1 plus 5, 4. Okay. Are these same? You see 1 minus 6, 8, 4. 1 minus 6, 8, 4. Okay. Can we say that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C? Definitely yes. Why? Because practically we have seen A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Now we can say that associative law is valid. Commutative law already we have seen with example. Associative law also we have seen with example. Okay. Okay. Now next property we see. Next property. Next property is what? Additive identity. Okay. Okay. See, for properties of addition of matrices, third one is additive identity. Additive identity is O. O means what? Zero matrix. I have already said I is identity matrix, O is zero matrix. These two matrices are symbols or notations or representation you have to keep aside, alphabets. Remaining all you can put A, B, C, D, whatever it may be. Okay. Now additive identity is O. O means zero matrix. See, how we get additive identity? Additive identity will be like this. You see, if A plus O, if you make, O has to come. Sorry, A has to come. Or else O plus A also if you make, A has to come. That means same matrix has to come. If you add with any other matrix, one matrix, then the same matrix has to come, not that matrix. Then that matrix is going to be called as additive identity. Why? Because adding additive. Okay. If you multiply and the same matrix is coming, it's multiplicative identity. But we have not gone for multiplication yet. We are in addition only. Additive identity. See, for this, do you require any proof? Why? Because see, addition we have seen simple addition only. Column to column number and row to row number has to match. O means all zeros will come. All zeros means if you add any element with a zero, then same element is going to come. Okay? You don't require this proof. You know very well. Why? Because see, 0 is additive identity. A plus 0 is equal to 0. A and 0 plus A is equal to A. O. Okay. O means 0 only here, but we are representing with O. Okay. Now additive identity we know. Additive identity. Okay. Now additive inverse is there. That is very important. Additive inverse. Let us write additive inverse also. Additive inverse is negative A or minus A. Negative A or minus A, whatever you call. Negative A or minus A is additive inverse. Okay. What is a negative inverse? Negative additive inverse. Sorry, additive inverse, yes. Additive inverse is negative A. Okay. What is additive inverse? If you add, then additive identity has to come. That means 0 has to come. You see here how I am writing. A plus minus A is equal to O. That means 0. What is this O? O is additive identity. That is equal to minus A plus A. Minus A plus A. Okay, a plus minus a is equal to 0. Minus a plus a is equal to 0. 0 means here 0 matrix, but we are representing it with O. Okay. What is O? O is additive identity. Okay. We take one example, simple example, 1 by 2 matrix. Then we can understand. Okay. You see here, let a is equal to 3 minus 1. Then negative a minus 3 plus 1. Then a plus negative a 3 minus 3 0 minus 1 plus 1 0. What is this? O. Okay, a plus a, O has come. Even you do minus a plus a, yeah, a plus minus a, both are going to give the same result to O. Why? Because minus a plus a is a minus a. That's all. Okay. This is additive inverse. Why? Because see, additive inverse, how it has come, negative matrix, you have to know. How you know negative matrix? Unless you know multiplication with scalar, you cannot come to this one. That is why these two also I need to told, have told. I need to tell, I have told. Okay. Now we have understood all these concepts of up to addition only. Addition only. Okay. Now what we do, we go for next concept. Okay, let us see difference of matrices. What is difference of matrices? It may be A minus B or B minus A, whatever it may be. Okay, that is called difference of matrices. Subtraction normally in crude word, but we will call is a nice word as difference of matrices. Okay, see, theoretically first we take one difference of matrices. You see, if A minus B is difference, then how you have to write A plus minus B. That means A plus minus 1 into B. You understand? Na? A minus B, how you are writing? That means, see, B, one matrix is there already, but that B you have to minus, subtract from A. Then what you are going to do? You are making that B as negative B by multiplying minus 1. See, this is procedure, but practically, directly you can subtract A minus B. There is no bar. Direct also you can write, but you should have some experience. That's all. Let us do it. Now you understand, na? See, conditions. What are the conditions for same difference? Also, same order should be there. Earlier, how we have seen for addition. If you want to add B, A and B, A also should be same order, B also should be of same order. Then only it is possible. Here also, for difference also, same. Why this has come? See, n plus. That means, for namesake you are subtracting, but you are adding only. You see, that is why addition we have taken into picture. Why? Because addition has come means conditions will come from addition only. Addition, what are the conditions? Both are should be same order. Then only it is possible. Okay. First, theoretically, you say you take one. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. Okay. Okay. Now you see A minus B. First I am writing A like this only. Okay. Now what I am writing? Plus minus 1 into B. See, this is normal procedure I am taking, but directly practical example we will take. In practical example, straight away we can do this. B11, B12, B21, B22. Okay? Okay. Now finally how it is going to become? A minus B is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, okay, plus all are going to become negative. Okay, now you add A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. Is this okay? See, these 4 steps are 2 steps we need not write if you are conversant, if you are confident enough. Directly A11 minus B11 you can make. Why? Because minus symbol is there. You see, each element, see, we are taking same order. Same order means A11, B11 minus negative A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. But same position you have to write. Where was A22 position? There only it has to come. Second row, second column position. First row, second column position. A12 minus B12. Like this it has to come. Okay, see, all this and all you pass and write. These are the notes. Okay, and with practical example also I am giving. For difference, we will take one example. One more thing. For addition and multiplication, there will be properties. Normally we study. For differences, subtraction and all, we don't study properties. See, but logically, if you think A minus B is not equal to B minus A, always 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, but 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 and plus 1 are not equal. That is why subtraction or difference of matrices are not commutative. Okay, those properties we are not required to study. That is why we don't study. Practically we have seen difference of matrices, not theoretically we have seen. Practical also we will see. We will take one example. Okay, we will take a big number. Why? Because difference is easy only. That is not a problem. Let us take 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Big number we will take. Let A is equal to -1, 0, 3, 2, 5, 1, 0, 6, -5. Okay. This I have taken as A. Then B also, for making of A minus B, difference, same order should be there. That means 3 rows, 3 columns. Here also 3 rows, 3 columns has to come. Or else we are not able to perform. Okay, let me take here also say 5, 3, minus 2. 6, minus 5, 1. Minus 1, 0, 4. Okay, randomly I have taken these numbers. Now we are performing difference. That too we are subtracting B from A. A minus B I have made. See, rather than making all this earlier what we have made, that procedure, directly also we can do. First you have to multiply with -1, then add. This is all not required. Practically not required. Theoretically you have to study like that. Why? Because if you study A plus minus B, then you came to know that whatever addition properties earlier we have studies, not properties, conditions, those conditions are applied for this line. Okay. Now directly we can do. You see, A minus B means -1, -5, -6. Shall I write -1, -5? -1, -5. I am writing. In the next step we will conclude. 0 minus 3. 3 minus of -2. That you keep in your mind. 3 minus of -2. Okay. 2 minus 6. 5 minus of -5. 1 minus 1. 0 minus of -1. 6 minus 0. -5 minus 4. Okay. You see minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 5. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 5 minus of minus 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus of minus 1, 1. 6 minus 0, 6. Minus 5 minus 4, minus 9. Okay? This is your answer. Okay. This will be your answer, difference of matrices. With this example, easily you can understand. Why? Because we have not see first question, that is why I have written this. Or else you need not write this also. Directly you can write this. What you are going to do? Minus A, minus B, minus 1, minus 5, minus 6. Directly you write minus 6. 0, minus 3, minus 3. 3 minus of minus 2, plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5. Directly you write. 5 minus of minus 5, plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 minus of minus 1, plus 1. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 9. Directly also you can write. Okay? It comes with practice. Now we have seen difference of matrices. See, for difference I have already again telling difference we need not study properties. Let us go for properties of scalar multiplication. Okay? Okay. You see, properties of scalar multiplication, two properties are there. We did not see proof. We did not see proof for this. You simply note down. Okay. Number 1. See, k into a plus b is equal to ka plus kb. I will explain later. First, let us write two properties. Second property is k plus l into a is equal to ka plus la. Okay. Now you may get confusion, sir. Why you have written L small k letter as a scalar? You can take this as any other letter, scalar letter. Why? Because but you should not confuse with matrix. Here also you see I already said the alphabets anything you can take A B C D like except I or O. But here k we have taken for constant. Whether is it advisable to take k for matrix or not, you decide. Because that is not wrong, but that is not right also. Okay, K. See what we are following. We are following NCERT book. NCERT syllabus only we are writing. NCERT syllabus only. Central government is asked to follow all the states. That is why NCERT will be the like one standard book like. That is why try to avoid taking K for matrix. You take K for constant scalar. Okay. Let us go back. Now you see here properties of scalar multiplication. See k into a plus b is equal to ka plus kb. We can say this as k is distributing on a and b. Scalar distribution on matrix, we can say this. Scalar distribution on matrix ka plus kb. Okay, another one. Matrix distribution on scalars. Scalar distribution on matrix, matrix distribution on scalar. You see a is distributing on scalars, ka plus lb. Always you write first scalar then matrix. But here also you see scalars then matrix. Scalar then matrix. Left side scalar, right side 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 matrix. Like that you follow. Okay. Here one scalar distribution on two matrices. Here one matrix distribution on two scalars. Understand this one? Okay. Now these two properties we need not see any proof, because anyway we are going now we are going to multiplication. After multiplication straight away we go for exercise. Then in exercise all these questions are going to come. We are going to do that. Okay, where required elaborately, there where I am giving examples also to understand. Okay. Okay, these two properties you note down. We go for multiplication of matrices. multiplication of matrix. Okay, now you see we have seen multiplication of matrix with a scalar, but not seen multiplication of matrices. That means we have seen Ka. Ka we have seen. K may be any scalar. And minus 1 a also we have seen negative matrix is like a scalar matrix only. But we have not seen AB. Now we are seeing AB. But what are the conditions? That is very important. You see here, let A is m by n and B m by n. Okay. Here AM should equal to, AN should equal to BM. You understand, na? See, this for understanding purpose I am writing here, but theoretically, practically we will write different word. Practical I am telling you, see here, A, if it is a 2 by 3 matrix, then B also 1, not 1, 3 by 1. But here this 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 need not be. But this column n 3 and this row B row m 3 should match, then only it is possible. That means what we can say, for the performance of matrices between two matrices, number of columns in the first matrix should equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Here number of rows is m 3. Here number of columns is n 3. 3 is equal to 3. Then only you can perform, or else you are not able to perform. That means here 2 by 2 need not be. 3 by 3 need not be. See, 3 by 3 is there, well and good. Why? Because you see here 1 by 1. See here column is 1, here row is 1. Okay. 2 by 2. Here also you see column is 2, row is 2. Okay. 3 by 3. Here also you see column is 3, row is 3. 3 is equal to 3. Okay. But see, if this is not available also you can do. How? You see here 1 by 2, 2 by 3. 2 matched. Yes, this is okay. For multiplication I am talking. These are for addition and multiplication. Both addition it should be like this. Multiplication also if it is there we can do. If it is not there also we can do. But condition is like this. Columns number and here row number should match. All I am writing like this, A and B. Why? Because in brain or in mind you think that we are performing AB, not BA. If BA means then this rule is going to change. First B, next A comes means B's columns and A's row should match. Here A column, B row should match. Okay? 1, 2, 2, 3. And if it is 2 by 3, then 3 by 1 or 3 by 2. See, this doesn't matter. Columns of second matrix doesn't matter. But rows of second matrix should match with columns of first matrix. Okay? Like that you have to perform. This is the condition. Okay? Let us do see. I don't want to confuse you. After performing one matrix will come. That matrix order also we will study. But practically we will see. Okay? Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay? This is A. B is equal to, okay, B. B11, B12, B21, B22. Okay, here columns are 2, rows are 2. Okay. What I do, I will make 3 columns, here 3 rows. Then it will be very good for understanding. A13, A23. Okay, here I am making 3 rows. B31, B32. Okay. Now you see what I am writing here. See here 2 rows 3 columns. So 2 rows 3 columns. Order. This order is 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay, you see 3 and 3 matched. First matrix columns, second matrix rows should match. Columns and row matched. Now we can perform the multiplication. Okay, now let us see. A by B is equal to, I am writing, you see, A by B is equal to, see, in matrix, multiplication is the difficult one. After this, then inverse is the difficult one. Inverse, finding inverse matrix. These two concepts are very tough. If you don't observe carefully, then you are going to do mistake. Okay, observe carefully how I am writing. Okay, you see, A cross B is equal to A into B or AB. You write simply AB. AB is equal to, see how I am doing how I perform this operation. You see, arrow like this you take. That means you see, left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. This symbol you have to take with pencil or whatever you may want. Even if you take with pen also lightly, the examiner doesn't bother. But you have to take in your answer sheet, or else you are not able to do this performance. Okay. Now before proceeding, these notations we know now. First row, first column, first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, first row, third column, third row, first column. Okay. After multiplication, this will come in first row, first column only. Okay. See how I am doing. See how I am doing. And also, you know, resultant matrices order also, you know. Why? Because order is going to change. You see simply. Okay. Now you see A11 into B11. Okay. Afterwards, plus you have to make a plus. A12 into B21. You see now A, B has come. See, second row, first row only, but second row you have gone. That is very important. A12, B21. Plus, you are adding plus. A13, B31. Okay. This will be in first row, first column. Now, first row, second column. First row, second column is going to write here. Here, you see how I am writing. A11, B12. A12, B22. A13, B32. Okay. Now here gap is there. You see, this is first row, first column. This is first row, second column. Okay. Like that you have to perform. Now you see A21, B11. See, horizontally here, vertically you have to go. A21, B11. Plus A22, B21. Plus A23, B31. Okay. This is, see, second row, first letter you have to take. Second row, first column. Second row, first row, second row, but first column you have taken. Okay. First letter. Now you are taking this second row, second column. Second row, second column. Column is second. Here it will come. A21, B12. A22, B22. A23, B32. Okay. Now you see. Okay, you see now. First row, first column we have written here. But here row, here column will come. First row, first column. First row, second row, but first column only. See, first row means first row, first column means first row, first column only how to take. Row, column, row, column, row, column. Okay? Why? Because column is one. First column only how to take me. See, A11, A12, A13. Okay? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, but second column. B12, B22, B32. Okay? Then second row, first column. Second row, but first column will come here. Second row, but second column will come here. Okay, now you see, resultant matrix is going to come 2 by 2. How you see here? 2 by 3, 3 by 2. 3, 3 matched. But this not matched 2, 2 is going to come as resultant matrix. You understand? Huh? See, this is very important. Here several students will do mistake. Okay, first you have to see A columns, B rows matched, then you perform, or else it is not possible. After that also you write one line, draw one line, because this line will guide you how to go. Okay, now what we do, same 2 by 3 by 3 by 2, practically we take one example, then you can understand easily. Okay, let us take. Let A is equal to, that means 2 by 3 I am taking, here 3 by 2 I take. Okay. -2, 1, 6, 0, 3, -4. Need not take this much bigger numbers. We take 3, okay. But here we take 0, 4 also we don't require. Take +2. Okay. 1, 4. Say we take 5. Okay. Now what we wanted to take here, this is 2 by 3. Yes. You take up to here only. 2 by 3. Here 3 by 2 you have to take. 3 by 1 also you can take, but 3 by 2 we take. Okay. 3 rows, 2 columns we take. Okay. We take 6 minus 1. 5, 3. -2, 0. Okay, now whether we are able to perform the multiplication or not, let us see. Here, this is 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. This is 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay. Column, row matched. You see 3, 3 matched. Then we can perform multiplication. Okay. Let us do the performance. How we are going to perform this? You first draw line. Light line. Okay. Now you write down AB. AB. A into B multiplication we are doing. You see, -2 into 6. Write down -2 into 6 plus 1 into 5 plus 0. I am writing 0 sir directly. 0 into something -2 also 0 only. Okay. This all you have to write. See, first letter, first row, first column means first row, first column. This has to come. Entire thing. Now first row, second column. Here first row, second column. Why? Because first column, second column. First row. Here it has to come. First row, second column. Write down. -2 into -1. -2 into -1 plus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0, 0 only. Okay? Okay. Now you go for second row, first column. This is second row, first column. Second row, first column. 0 into 6. We need not write 0 and 6. 0 directly we can write, but okay. Plus 3 into 5. Plus -2 into -2. Okay. Now what we have done? We have written this in first row, second row, first column. You see, this is second row, first column. All have come in second row, first column. You see, this is first row, first column. All have come in first row, first column. First letter operation, there it will come. Okay. Now here you see first row, but second column. Okay. But here you see first row, second row, but first column. Second row, first column is come. But second row, second column. Here also it comes. Simple first operation. First operation where it has a position, there it will come. 0 into minus 1, 0 only, plus 3 into 3, 9 only, plus minus 2 into 0, 0 only. Okay. Okay, now we perform. Okay, you see this is 0, 5, minus 12 plus 5, minus 7, 0, 3, plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 0, 15, plus 4, minus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 15, 19, 0, 0, 9. Okay, now you write this order. 2 by 2 order is there. 2 rows, 2 columns. You see here 2 rows, 2 columns. But for possibility, 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 columns, 3 rows you have to see first. Okay, this is best example. Like this you have to perform the multiplication of matrices. Okay, what we do, we stop this class here. Remaining just 1 or 2 more concepts are there. We will start exercise 3.2 in next class. After those 1 or 2 concepts. Why? Because the zero matrix is there, properties of matrices also. Properties of multiplication we have not seen. Multiplication we have done, but properties of multiplication we have to see. Zero matrix also we have to see. Zero matrix and properties of multiplication we will see. Then we go directly to 3.2 exercise. Okay, thank you very much.